Thank you. Chill is. It's available in both cool only and cooling with electric heat. With the chill, any room with a window or exterior wall can be conditioned. The unit is most often installed in the window, but all chills rated 6,000 BTU or higher can also be installed through the wall thanks to Chill's slide-out chassis for easier installation. Chill offers the convenience of remote control operation, allowing the user to adjust the temperature, change modes, or program the timer. Auto air sweep louvers move the air left and right for more even air distribution. Friedrich's chill line includes Energy Star qualified models and some of the highest EERs in the category. All feature a money saver mode that reduces energy use and costs in addition to a 24-hour timer that programs your AC to turn on or shut off at a set time. The power cord provides an installation convenience because unlike many ACs, you can run it from both the left and right side of the unit, depending on where your wall outlet is located. The Friedrich Chill offers a sleek design and quality features at a price that fits most budgets. A broad service network, a team of technical experts, and US-based customer support ensure you get the prompt service you deserve. If you in room air conditioning.
Efficient, cool, and the quietest in their class. In fact, independent tests conducted by Intertech, the industry's leading testing lab, have verified that Haier's Serenity Series Quiet 6,000 and 8,000 BTU window air conditioners are on average more than 9.5 decibels quieter than comparable models from their 4 biggest competitors and more than 20 decibels quieter than some. That's quiet. Very quiet. Haier's secret is an exclusive dual fan design that features an innovative cross-flow fan with U-shaped evaporator and sound-isolating compressor blanket. It puts the cool in your room and keeps the noise outdoors. Enjoy cool comfort and a peaceful quiet with Haier's Serenity Series Quiet window air conditioners. Haier.